Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome back. So, if you have not been following, please subscribe, like, and add your comments. In the last video, we talked about getting started with Appium, an Android mobile phone, right? So, because some people demanded for how about with iOS? So here we have a very quick setup for iOS, right? So let's get started. Now these are the prerequisites. We have your macOS, of course, your Xcode, your Umber, your Java JDK. Make sure you have your Java home set up already. Now on your terminal to install Xcode, as you can see, I have done all of this before now, but just for the sake of this tutorial, let's get started. So you enter this code here, Xcode, select install. So this get to install your Xcode. Then what do you do next? You install your Node.js if you don't have that already. Then you confirm your Appium version. Please, we have different Appium version. We have version 1, version 2. So check your Appium version. Right, so here I'm using version 2. Also, don't forget to install Karate. Don't forget to install your Appium globally. And you can also run the Appium Doctor as our usual practice. Let's see. Appium Doctor, we kind of check for every other dependency. Check to see that you are ready to actually start your mobile automation. So yeah, that's Appium Doctor for you. You say check. Good, so we are ready. Alright, so after installation of your Xcode, one very tricky thing here is if you are using an actual iOS real device, you need to have your developer subscription up to date. Right now, I thought I had a subscription earlier, but no, I don't have a subscription. So I am kind of going to skip that in this demo video. However, for the sake of those who still have developer subscription, you can go through with this Medium article and try to sign with your Apple ID, right? And then follow these steps, right? Now, for those that I want to use the simulator as I will demonstrate in this video, we'll continue from, let's see, from here. Now, so what we do after, installing all of that above, the prerequisite, we jump into the Appium inspector. Now, before the Appium inspector, let's start our Appium server. To start your Appium server, as usual, you type in your Appium and then it will, so we have a host and port and all of that. So you need to confirm if this port is actually working as it should. So this is what I will do. I will open it on a browser and check for this. Okay, so we have this running. Now I actually put a slash status here to check if the server is actually up and running and that everything is good. Now everything is good and successful. So yeah, we'll move on. So from here now, you have to set up your simulator, right? Now, of course, you make use of your Xcode too because of you've installed your Xcode. So what do you do? Let's open Xcode. Then I will just use, you can use any project, any arbitrary project, it does not matter because you're not using a real device right now, and we are not passing in any application we'll be making use of Safari as a browser name instead of a part to an application, to a mobile application. So this is how you open your simulator. You go to open developer tool, click on simulator, right? Then that gets to open. So you can also come here, click on devices and simulators. Here you can view your connected iOS device. If you're using a real device, here you can view the connected device, the UID, the model name and all of that. And here you have the opportunity to view all available simulators that you can actually download. Okay, so I will close this. Hopefully my simulator is coming up. So while the simulator is coming up, let's do something. Let's open the Appium inspector. Now Appium inspector, like we mentioned the last time, you can actually set your capability and then inspect the application you want to test. And for this getting started, we are not writing any code. All we are trying to do is to just get started, right? I think that's a tautology, but we are getting started. Okay, so I have some saved capabilities here. Check your remote host, please. Because this is the server. The remote host is 127.0.1 4723. You can change the port as you wish, but I think by default Appium uses 4723 and it has to be the one that is running here. Okay, so Appium inspector, come here. I think I created some capabilities here already. So for the simulator, please confirm with the simulator you are running. I don't know actually know if the simulator break a call, so which I had to attend to. Okay, so our simulator is up now. Yep. Now we try to create a session. Let's see how this goes. So if this is successful, it's supposed to launch the simulator here on the inspector, right? And also launch the Safari browser. Interesting, it is launching just as we predicted. Alright guys, this brings us to the end of this particular video. Thank you so much for watching. Add your comments below whatever you want me to do next, right? Whichever topic you're interested in, add your comments below, let me know, and also subscribe to this channel. Okay, bye.